You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from Canadian politics and more confusing pronunciations overall, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So let's learn how he pronounces it. Let's hear it. That's from his own channel. Let's listen.
Hey everybody, my name is Jagmeet Singh.
So, Jagmeet Singh. Pretty straightforward once you know Jagmeet Singh. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.